gin I were Helen lies, for nicht and day on me she cries. Oh, gin I were Helen lies, on fair Kirkconnell. Cursed be the hair that had the thought, cursed be the hand that fired the shot, when in my arms my Helen dropped, and deed to succour me. And thinking, oh, my heart was sad to see her lie and speak nae mair. There did she swoon wi mickle care, on fair Kirkconnell. Oh, Helen fair beyond compare, I'll weave a garland o'er your hair, 'twill bind my hair forevermore, until the day I die. I lichted doon my sword to draw, fierce was the fight on Kirtleshaw. I drew him in to pieces small, for her that deed for me. Oh, gin I were Helen lies, for nicht and day on me she cries. From out my bed she bids me rise, says haste and come to me. I wish my grave was growing green, a winding sheet after mine, and in my Helen's arms would be, who died for love o' me.